Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Take a look at these following images. All these images are AI generated. Wanna know how I created these images using AI? Stay with me, and by the end of this video you will be able to create these kind of images within less than a minute. Let's get into the video. Open Microsoft Edge browser. Here you can see an icon which is a Microsoft Copilot AI. Once you click on it, you can see a window like this. Here it is mentioned as Copilot, your everyday AI companion. Here you can type in anything that you want to create. Let's create an image of a Robo walking in Jurassic Park. And don't forget to mention the first letters as create an image. Once you are done, click on enter. It will take less than a minute to generate images. Wait for some time. It is creating. It is done. Now you can see it has generated 4 images. All are of with good quality. Let's select this one. The image looks pretty good. Here you can see 3 options. Let's click on these 3 dots and click on download. Once it is downloaded, open it. Let's check the quality of the image. Open it. Yeah, the quality is pretty good, and the image matches our description. So this is how you can create an image using Microsoft Copilot AI within less than a minute. You can download all of the images if you want. And if you come down, you can see some other comments also that you can add to the image. Not only in browser, it works pretty well in mobile application also. All you need to do is go to Play Store, type in Microsoft Edge. Once you install it, you can see here you can see an icon of Copilot. Otherwise you can directly search as Microsoft Copilot. Type in Copilot. Here you can see a chatbot. Go to the chat option. Once you click on it, it will take you to the Copilot page. Now type in our command. Don't forget to mention this. Create an. Whatever the image that you want to create, you have to start with this one only. Create an image or generate an image. Both works. Create an image of a cat dressed in a colorful suit. Let's see how it goes. Click on enter. It takes some time to create these images. The time will be always less than a minute only, depends upon your network. Here we can see 4 images. You can click on any image. The image looks pretty good. To download the image, all you have to do is press on the image, click on download image. Once it is downloaded, click on open. Here you can see the image is pretty good quality. Even if you zoom in, it doesn't break. So this is how you generate AI images using Microsoft Copilot. If you want to download, you can download all the images and use it for your Instagram page or YouTube or Pinterest, wherever you want. If you find the video valuable, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.